To start with, let's go over the hardware requirements. For the CPU, you need a minimum of 4 cores, although more than 4 cores are recommended if you're planning on mining. When it comes to memory, at least 8 GB of RAM is necessary, but having more than 8 GB is definitely recommended. As for disk space, you need a minimum of 20 GB of free disk space. However, more storage is advisable depending on the size of the blockchain and logs. Lastly, you will need a stable internet connection with sufficient bandwidth. Now let's move on to running a Blockdag node. To ensure smooth setup and operation, the following software must be installed and configured on your system. Supported operating systems include Ubuntu version 18.04 LTS or later, and macOS version 13 Ventura or later. Before we dive into running the node, let's cover the prerequisites. First, Docker should be installed on your system. If it isn't already, follow the steps in the official Docker documentation to get it installed. Next, you will need Git for version control and managing repositories. To install Git on Debian or Ubuntu-based systems, you can use the commands sudo apt update and sudo apt install git. For macOS, you can install Git using Homebrew with the command sudo brew install git. Git is also necessary for transferring data from or to a server, often required for HTTP requests. To install Git on Debian or Ubuntu-based systems, use the commands sudo apt update and sudo apt install wget. For macOS, you can install wget using Homebrew with the command sudo brew install wget. Finally, for Linux systems, you should update your package list and install any required packages, including expect, which is often used for automating interactive tasks in the terminal. Use the commands sudo apt update and sudo apt install expect. Once these prerequisites are installed, you are ready to follow the steps to run a full Blockdag node. All right, let's dive into the step-by-step instructions to set up your Blockdag node. Step 1. Clone the Blockdag scripts repository from GitHub. Using the following command, git clone https://github.com/blockdagnetworklab/blockdag-scripts. Step 2. Set up the repository. If you are a Linux distribution user, then use the following command, cd blockdag scripts/linux. If you are a macOS user, then use the following command, cd blockdag scripts/mac. Step 3. Create a new wallet. To create a new wallet, run the following command, wallet.sh. To create a wallet with an existing wallet generation seed, run the following command, wallet.ash your_wallet_seed. Just a heads up. The wallet seed is unique to each wallet. If the seed is lost, the wallet and its contents are permanently lost. Store it somewhere safely. The generated wallet seed will be stored in the wallet.txt file. Keep this file secure as it contains the wallet seed information needed to recover your wallet. Step 4. Running the node. To run a full Blockdag node in a testnet environment with mining enabled, follow these commands. Blockdag.note. This script will generate a new wallet if one does not already exist. If the above command does not execute as expected, try running it with sudo to ensure elevated permissions. Ignore if you see the following warning in macOS. The requested images platform, Linux/ARM64, does not match the detected host platform Linux/ARM64/v8, and no specific platform was requested. Sudo blockdag.sheesh. If you have a wallet created and have the public address, then run the following command, node.show your _public_address note. You can find your public address at the end of the wallet.txt file if it was created using the wallet.sh script. Step 5. Checking node logs. Once the node is running, you can check the logs to monitor its status. Follow these steps. Check the Docker status. Run the following command to list all running Docker containers and verify whether your Blockdag node is running. Docker ps. This command will display a list of all active Docker containers, including their names and IDs. If your Blockdag node is listed, it indicates that the node is running. Use the container ID to manage the node. View node logs. Use the following command to view the logs of your Blockdag node Docker logs, f blockdag testnet network note. The f flag in the Docker logs command will follow the logs, allowing you to see real-time output. If the commands do not work as expected, try using sudo for elevated permissions. Now let's talk about stopping and cleaning up a running Blockdag node. To properly manage and maintain the Blockdag node, follow the steps below to stop the node and clean up any residual data and logs. Stopping the node. To stop a running Blockdag node, execute the following command in your terminal. Docker stop Blockdag testnet network. This will stop the node, ensuring all current processes are terminated, cleaning up node data and logs. Once the node has been stopped, it's important to clean up any leftover data and logs to maintain optimal performance and disk space. To do this, run the following command. Docker run blockdag network /bdag latest bdag cleanup. This command will remove residual data, clears any unnecessary data stored by the node, delete old logs, deletes outdated logs to free up disk space and avoid clutter. Finally, let's go over the script descriptions. Blockdag.sh script. The Blockdag.sh script is responsible for the following key tasks. Create a Blockdag wallet. Generates a new wallet specifically for use in the Blockdag network if not found. Start and connect miner node, initiates the Blockdag node and connects it to the Blockdag testnet server. Configure miner sets the created wallet as the designated miner for the node, enabling mining activities on the Blockdag network. Note: ensure that the wallet generated by this script is securely stored, as it will be used for mining operations. Clean.sh script. The clean.sh script is designed to remove old wallet, cleans up and deletes the existing wallet, including its associated files. Reset wallet information. Useful for scenarios where the wallet needs to be reset or refreshed, allowing the user to start with a clean slate. Note: ensure you have backed up any important wallet details before running this script, as the deletion process is irreversible. Download_wallet.sh script. The download_wallet.sh script is designed to download the required binaries. Generate_wallet.sh script. The generate_wallet.sh script serves the following purposes. Generate a new wallet. Creates a new wallet, including a private key and public address, which can be used for transactions and participation in the Blockdag network, ready for transactions or mining. The newly generated wallet can be utilized for conducting transactions or for mining operations on the Blockdag network. Note: the wallet's private key and seed phrase should be securely stored, as they are required for accessing and managing the wallet. Install_docker.sh, Ubuntu. This script installs the Docker daemon on a Linux system. It ensures that Docker is set up and ready to be used for running the Blockdag node. Note: this script is only compatible with Ubuntu 20.04 or higher. Node.sh script. The Node.sh script is responsible for the following tasks. Start the Blockdag node. Initiates the Blockdag node using Docker Compose, ensuring seamless setup and management of the node within a containerized environment. Miner address accepts the miner address as a parameter, allowing the node to be started with the specified miner's address for participation in the Blockdag network. Note: the miner address is crucial for identifying and linking the node to the wallet used for mining operations. Ensure that the correct address is provided during setup. Wallet.show script. The wallet.show script provides the following functionalities. Create a new wallet. Automatically generates a new wallet and securely stores its details, including the private key and public address, in the wallet.txt file. Restore an existing wallet. Allows users to restore a wallet by supplying a previously generated seed phrase as a parameter. This ensures that the wallet and its associated assets can be recovered. Note: the generated seed phrase and wallet details are sensitive information and are stored in wallet.txt. The wallet's private key and seed phrase should be securely stored, as they are required for accessing and managing the wallet. Each of these scripts plays a crucial role in managing your Blockdag node and wallet operations. Make sure to run them with the appropriate permissions, for example using sudo